Hey Joe, so I don't know if you'll be able to see this screen very well. I don't know what size monitor you're working with, but so here I've got the theme that you purchased, and I've turned it into an A5W pages, and I've added a bit of code to it. I'll just rerun this. So when you can see when this runs, you now have a true number of true count of customers coming into this to this particular area when the page runs. And I've also added another new component. So you've got all these components that were in originally, and I've added another one called employees. So we'll click on employees, and okay, that's not set up quite the way I want it. Let's see now. I think it's just because of the size. Let me see if I can. Yeah. So I'll just stretch that out a little bit and move it over. There we go. So that's how it should look. So it's a little bit responsive depending on what the sizes you've got. But so here we've got a list control with our employees in there. And here we have a to-do list. Remember you were asking if we could have two components on the same page. This is a completely separate component. It has nothing to do with this component. It can be tied together, of course, based on employee number, but this is a separate list. And here we've got our employees list, and this is our detail section over here, so you can see it's changing as we move through things. And we've got previous and next buttons and last buttons that we can use as well. And new employee and delete employee, that sort of thing. And we can move through the list. And we can make changes to this list. So I'm going Backstrom, and I can change his middle name to H. And you'll see the submit button lit up, and now we're just going to submit that back. And that should now be reflected. Oh, we can't see the middle name. So let's pick somebody else. Pick you. And we'll change your first name. And as you can see, it's changed to Joey. And we can change it back again and submit. And what that does is it issues a list refresh here, so that our list is always up to date with the data that we're working with. So the other stuff that's been done is all behind the scenes. All the jQuery code has been converted to run under alpha, so all that works quite well. I've made a few other changes to this page. So this is a full new page, of course, that's being loaded, called uxemployees.a5w, which was just generally a copy of the portlets.html page, and then augmented for the two components that have been placed on here. And the dashboard, I think I updated that. No, I didn't. So I'm going to go back to my employees page. And I think I changed this. Yeah, so that returns back to index.a5w as opposed to index.html. And I believe this fires off the a5w page as well. And components, of course. So you can see everything works exactly as it did before, but now it's all running under alpha. So I just thought I'd throw that at you. And I'll catch you soon. Thanks.